Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy SCAT token on Binance Alpha. It's very easy. First you can open your Binance apps and then you can go to search box here in the top. And then you can search SCAT. Search it. And as you can see there is SCAT on Alpha. You can click it. This one. Then this is the charts. If you want to see the detail, you can click info in the top here. You will see the 24-hour volume, high and low. Also you can see the details, the audit in the top here. And yeah, if you want to buy it, you can just click trade here in the bottom. Then you can choose instant buy, or you can choose limit order. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.